Hey, today I'm showing you how to make a twisted rope like this. This can be great as a bracelet or a necklace as well. I use 2mm seed beads in 2 different colors, a beading needle, and 0.2mm nylon thread, 1 lobster clasp, 2 crimp beads, and 1 jump ring. I begin by picking up the lobster clasp and slide it to the end of our thread. Leave a little tail, and now I make 2 to 3 knots. Then I pick up my crimp bead and slide it down. Make sure the short end of your thread is in the crimp bead as well. Usually when you use crimp beads you don't need to make knots, but I just like to do it. It feels a little bit more secure. And over the knot. And next I take my pliers and just squeeze it together. Make sure you don't damage your thread. Then we can begin by picking up as many beads as we need for the desired length of our bracelet or necklace or whatever you want to make. You can already weave the short end in as well. This is my bracelet so far, and at the end I'm adding my second crimp bead and the jump ring. Then I pass the needle through the crimp bead a second time, like this. Pull everything tight. Then we can use the pliers again. Everything should be tied together now. I pass the needle through one more bead. And then we can continue by picking up one bead of the first color we also have here, the second and the first. So it looks like this. And then we skip the next bead and go through the second. And you can see this creates this little triangle over here. And again, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. This will naturally lean towards the other side, so we end up with a zigzag at the end. I show it one more time. 1, 2, 3. We skip the first and pass the needle through the second. Simply repeat this for the rest of the bracelet. So no matter what bead you're coming out of, you can skip this one and pass your needle through our little triangle, and you come out of the second color we also continue with. So basically the tip of the triangle. Then we pick up 5 of this color and pass the needle through the bead on the other side. Now it's important that we keep the thread behind our base right here. Just imagine that we want the second color to wrap around our bracelet. 5 more beads and through the next. Pick up 5 again. This is the next one. And now our thread is behind. And we keep it that way. Pick up 5 more and go through the next. So front, back, front, back. When you're back at the beginning, you can pass your needle through one more bead and just make a knot like this. Pass your needle between 2 beads and behind the thread. Create a loop. Pass your needle through the loop. And you made a knot. You can repeat this. I would repeat it 1 or 2 times and then you can cut it off. I hope this video was helpful to you. See you next time.